S326. My name is Jacqueline Maximilian. I go by Jackie, as Zero mentioned earlier. I'm University of Idaho alumni. I'm a mother of three. Currently, I teach another class. It's called International Environmental Issues in Environmental Science. My degree is Natural Resources. I welcome you once again to this class. It's going to be a very life experience in class where we share ideas, discussions, and analysis about social, cultural, developmental, political issues or aspects in the African continent. One thing I should emphasize is that everybody should feel free to discuss and analyze critically any aspects that we'll be discussing in class. And another thing to mention is, although it's only me and Ro will be co-instructing this class this semester, we have a number of contributors who did the presentation above on various modules. So I welcome you once again, and like Hiro said earlier, that we are open to discussion, to talking to people. If you want any further discussion about issues, we are available to do that at any time, and will offer my phone number or my email address. You can contact me anytime you feel like you need to talk about issues furthermore. And I look forward to have a wonderful discussion and talking and seeing you guys, and have a nice class.